what are the types of intellectual property protections that are available to a business owner?
I love this question. So we've got four different types. We've got patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. And that is not in the order of importance. Patents protect the idea behind something that's new. It has to be a machine manufacturer, something that's created by a person, and it allows them to get a government right to stop others from making that thing. So then we have trademarks. Trademarks are the ones we're most familiar with. Trademarks, you see branding everywhere. And this is what tells people where a particular product comes from. So if you see, Keebler on a box, okay, these cookies are coming from a particular company, right? And it allows you to easily and quickly separate and identify, oh, I'm familiar with that, and to know that it's the same source. Then you have copyrights. So copyrights are actually intended, it's also a government grant, but you get a copyright automatically whenever you author something, or if you, it can be create, but it's usually, copyrighted is for things like songs, for books, it can be website copy, it can be anything that's an original work of authorship. And then the last one are trade secrets, and trade secrets are really just secrets. I mean, there's no magic there, but trade secrets are really anything that your company knows or that you know, and that you're using reasonable effort to protect, that other people don't know, and it gives you an advantage in the marketplace. So those are the four types.
When would be the best time for a business owner to consult with you about these four options?
Oh, sure. So I think that if the first step would be just to have a general knowledge. If a company is, for a tech company or a creative, just having a working knowledge of these is a first step. And, however you can get that is fine. Once you're able to sort of issue spot, you want to talk to an attorney and figure out, okay, my type of business has this kind of thing in it. What do I need to do? How do I put in place a plan, or how do I protect certain things? Because every business is going to be different. For example, a software company is going to have lots and lots of copyright. It's going to have a trademark, and then it may have some patentable concepts, and it's going to have a whole lot of trade secrets, right? But an artist, like a performing artist or a screen printer, may have almost entirely copyright, and then some trade secret in terms of like their client lists. So it just totally depends on the company, and it's probably worth an initial consult with an attorney just to figure out, like, okay, what type of company am I? Like, what should I be looking out for? And then you don't have to waste time with the other ones, right? So figuring out like what lane you're in is probably the first step.
Thanks, Justin. That's very helpful.